Hello guys! And dapat pupunta kami ng Johor Bahru kaso nagkatamaran. Kaya we end up going to Adeba Spa located at Paragon Shopping Center. The place is very nice. And then 5-star feels, very clean. The service is very good. So we are instructed first to go to the washroom to prepare for our spa. And then after that, we were escorted going to our room and we selected pala to have a couple retreat. Yes, a couple retreat kasi nga couple nga kami, di ba? So as you can see, there are 2 beds. Maganda yung ambience, very relaxing. Gusto ko na nga matulog dyan eh. We're not going to show you how did the massage go through for privacy purpose. Alam nyo na guys.